Namaste to everyone. This is Dr. Praveen S. Patil here. So today I am going to discuss about treatment principles of the ARSHA. ARSHA means hemorrhoids or piles. Treatment principles of ARSHA as elaborately explained in Sushruta Samhita Chikitsasthana 6th chapter. The one which hurts like an enemy, that is called as ARSHA. That is called as piles or hemorrhoids. Sushruta in his 6th chapter, he has explained about the 4 types of treatment principles for the ARSHAs. Chaturvido ARSHASAM sadhanopayah. There are 4 methods by which we can treat the hemorrhoids. So what are those? How to treat that individually has dealt? First one is Bheshaja, that is by giving the medicines. Second one is Kshara, by applying the caustic substance to the pile mass, which leads into caustic burn, and then as a healing procedure that will undergo into fibrotic changes and there will be a strengthening of the pile mass. Agni Karma, that is by cautery. Either you can consider it as a thermal cautery at those days, because these principles has been explained about 5,000 years back, but there are those principles holds good till today. So Agni Karma, that is thermal cautery, or by the electrical cautery we can dissect the pile mass. And Shastra Karma, that is by the surgery. So whether you take is a Milligan-Morgan method, whatever the method you do, so those all come under these principles. So there are 4 principles as I told earlier. One is by medicines, one is by caustic cautery, another one is caustic burn, and third one is by the thermal cautery or by the electrical cautery, and fourth one is by surgeries. Sushruta has very elaborately explained how the patient has to be positioned and which instrument we supposed to use and how to apply, when to apply, how many people are needed to assist this, and what are the how means while applying the Kshara, that is caustic burn. So what is the Samyak Lakshanas, that is a proper caustic burn, improper caustic burn, excessive caustic burns, and the same thing he followed by explaining to Agni Karma and into the Shastra Chikitsa, that is thermal cautery and surgery. In this video I am going to talk only about the principle of the treating the piles.
As I told earlier, there are 4 main methods of treating the piles. One is Bhesaja, Ksharaja, Agni and Shastra. I repeat, Bhesaja is medical management, medicinal management. Kshara is chemical cautery or inducing the caustic burn. Agni is a thermal or electrical cautery, and Shastra is a surgery. These are the Sanskrit words which are described in Sushruta Samhita Chikitsasthana 6th chapter about 5,000 years back. So this is how the Indian system of medicines has planned, that is Ayurveda. They have planned the management of piles about 5,000 years back. See, why I am repeatedly saying this 5,000 years back? See, I usually get wonder how systematically they have practiced the medical field. How systematically they used to practice the medicine or surgery. So, when we look into the first one, the indications of Bhesaja, when to take the patient for medical management. When the pile mass, these are the internal hemorrhoidal plexus, and these are the external hemorrhoidal plexus. This is the internal hemorrhoidal plexus. If the person is suffering from achirakalaja, that is recent origin, Jata Alpa Doshaja, mild causative factors, and Alpa linga, that is insignificant symptoms are there, and alpha upadrava, insignificant complications are there. So in those conditions, when the symptoms are mild to moderate, in those patients we can take the patients for the medical management. Then when to take the patient for Kshara, that is chemical cautery or caustic burn to induce whenever there is a pile mass here, okay, there is engorgement or cushion failure takes place at the internal pile mass. What we do, we apply some medicine, and what medicine, how to prepare that I have told in detail about in the some other videos. If you want, I'll give the link in the description. You can go through that, how to prepare the Kshara, and that Kshara we apply over here, and that will cause the caustic burn. And as a healing procedure, there will be a fibrotic changes will take place here, and the pile mass will shrunken. So that is indication, means how the Kshara is used in the hemorrhoids. When the pile mass is soft, because this is a chemical burn we are causing, the means that chemical has to act. So on the mucosa, it won't act much on the skin. So on the external pile mass, there is no use of Kshara. So only on the internal pile mass or else internal external pile mass, we can combine the two treatment there, but the Kshara has to be applied only on the mucosal layer. When it is mrudu, means soft. Prasruta means extensive, not having pedicle, okay, extensive, which is sessile kind of thing. Then Avagada, that is deeply situated, not the external one. And Uchritani, that is projectile. So these kind of pile mass has to be taken for Kshara. And Agni Karma, that is for the thermal cautery, that is Karkasha. Karkasha, usually it won't be rough. The mucosal engorgement, usually it will be mrudu only. Karkasha kind of features, whether you can see in the sentinel pile mass or else in the external pile mass. And Sthira, which is firm in nature. Prutu means thick it is. And Katina, harder to touch. So those kind of pile mass you can take for the Agni Karma, that is cauterization. I repeat, Karkasha, that is rough, Sthira, firm, and Prutu, that is thick, and Katina, hard. So these kind of things we can take it for the Agni Karma, that is thermal or electrical cautery. Then what are the indications for Shastra Karma, that is for surgery? Once Tanurmula, like Tanurmula. So Moola is not sessile, it's somewhat like pedunculated. So Tanu means narrow pedicle. And Uchitani, which is projected. And Kledavanti, which is moist. So those kind of things we can take it for surgery. So I repeat. So mild symptom patient is for the medicine, and which is soft and sessile kind of pile mass are for the Kshara, and hard and thick firm projections like either it means tensile tag or external pile mass is for the Agni Karma, that is thermal or electrical cautery, and Shastra Karma when it is pedunculated or projectile and moist touch. So these are the indications for Shastra Karma. This is the treatment principle of Arsha or hemorrhoids or piles as per Ayurveda. So we'll repeat the thing now. So here the list of the treatment principles of piles or hemorrhoids as per Ayurveda. So Beshaja, Achirakalaja, Jata Alpadoshaja, Alpalinga, Alpa Upadravani. So these are the indication for Beshaja. For Kshara, Mrudu, Prasruta, Avagada, Uchritani. So these are the indication for Kshara Karma. And for Agni Karma, Karkasha, Sthira, Prutu, Katina, these are the Agni Karma. And Shastra Karma, Tanurmula, Uchritani, and Kledavanti are the indications for surgery. So at today's time also, at the present situation also, so the treatment available for the piles is either a sclerosing therapy, medicinal treatment, sclerosing therapy, or using the laser, or else the diathermies, vessel sealers, something like that, which comes under the Agni Karma, or else Milligan-Morgan method and other method of the surgeries which comes under the Shastra Karma. At today's point of view also, these are the only available different types of the treatment for the hemorrhoids, but only the method of approaching and the technology has improved, but the principle remains same till today. So dear friends, if you like this video, then press the like button, subscribe if you are fresh users to my channel, and if you want to follow me, then you can follow me on the Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. The link is given in the description. And I would like to say thanks for watching my video. Thank you one and all.